Obviously, I'm on the front row, but I mean, there's a lot of cars behind me, an awful lot of cars.
Pace car has pulled off. Here comes that front row. Craig Bennett, Michael Collins, the Shadow, and the McRae. Second spot, and behind him, field looks good. Green flag waves, and we got a start. And it looks like the Mazda got the jump on acceleration over the Porsche 963.
Oh, he's basically the guy that started BRE, Brock Racing, and that's him, Pete Brock. That's his company.
Tell me about what, you know, what BRE, why they awesome.
That's me. I went to the talk too, and I didn't fall asleep, but I don't remember.
All right.
It's like watching John Wayne ride his horse. Daytona. Shelby Daytona?
Alright guys, come in here.
Yeah, I've seen F50s before, but look, Dad would be able to rip off the badge. He could test his badge test.
499 cops, just like 120. Nobody's even looking at it.
Man.
It's crazy. It's beautiful, but I still would take the LaFerrari over. Of course. Yeah, I wanted one of these so bad. You know, first it was the hypercar on everybody's wall.
At the end of the day, my brother and I and Carlos were getting hungry, trying to figure out where to eat. My brother was in his Cabriolet E320 and I was in my Datsun 280ZX. This event has given me many memories that I will remember for a long time, and one of those has to do with this blue EB110. So on our way to downtown Monterey to get food and also to check out the exotics on Canary Row, up ahead, just a couple cars ahead of me, I noticed this very unique set of taillights. I thought to myself, no, that can't be it. But I decided to take the chance and overtake the car that was in front of me. After overtaking the car in front of me with all the 140 horsepower that I have in my Z, my jaw just dropped to the rusty floor panels. And right in front of me was the OG French king of the supercars, the EB110 that we saw earlier at the event. Just one car length stood between me and the one of 128 $1 million supercar with the V12 quad turbo that I had only seen in Gran Turismo prior to that day. It's one thing to see something like an EB110 in the flesh at a car event, but to see one in front of you on winding roads is something that I will never forget. Needless to say, I lost my brother behind me in order to keep up with this EB110. He wasn't really gunning it or anything. I'm pretty sure it was the older gentleman that owned this car, but nonetheless, just seeing it in motion is something that I don't think a lot of people get to experience ever.